Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine at your place. I'm your Shaista teacher here. Students, previous class we have solved practice set 1.1. Today I'm going to start a new practice set that is 1.2. Practice set 1.2 is based on comparison of rational number. Here you will see the comparison between two numbers, right hand side number and left hand side numbers. Both are rational integer. Okay. So here you will see some example. There are 4 examples which is there in your Maharashtra State Board Maths textbook. Also there, after finishing that examples, we will see some rules. We will apply that rule in our practice set 1.2 when we are solving actual sums. Okay, so when we are solving 1.2 sums, there were total 10 sums. We will see where to apply that rules. Okay, so let's start practice set 1.2. Let us learn about comparison of rational number. Students, you know that for any point of a number on a number line, the number to the left is smaller than the number to the right. Also, if the numerator and the denominator is multiplied by any non-zero number, then the value of a rational number does not change. That is, it remains same. For example, a upon b is equal to k multiplied by a, that is ka. B is equal to k multiplied by b, that is kb. So here ka upon kb, where k is not equal to 0. Let's start with example number 1. Compare the number 5 upon 4 and 2 upon 3. Write using the proper symbol of less than, equal to or greater than. Students, here two numbers are given. 5 upon 4 left hand side number, whereas 2 upon 3 right hand side number. 5 upon 4 and 2 upon 3. Here we have to compare which side is greater, left hand side or right hand side. 5 upon 4 on left hand side and 2 upon 3 on right hand side. So we have to check which number is greater and which number is smaller. After solving, we come to know. So here first we'll write solution. Now we will take this 5 upon 4 and 2 upon 3. See, both the denominator are different. Here 5 upon 4 denominator is 4, whereas 2 upon 3 denominator is 3. So here 5 will multiply by 3 and 4 will multiply by 3. 5 will multiply by 3 and 4 will multiply by 3. जो नंबर को आप डिनोमिनेटर में मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, उसी सेम नंबर से आपको न्यूमरेटर को भी मल्टीप्लाई करना है. So the next step is 5 upon 4 is equal to 5 multiplied by 3 upon 4 multiplied by 3. So 5 3s are 15, 4 3s are 12. So here 15 upon 12. 5 upon 4, 5 multiplied by 3 and 4 multiplied by 3. So 5 3s are 15 and 4 3s are 12. So 15 upon 12. After solving 5 upon 4. Now we'll move to 2 upon 3. So here 2 upon 5 upon 4. Again we will write 5 upon 4, 2 upon 3. But now this time 2 will multiply by, yes, 2 will multiply by 4. Yes. And 3 will multiply by 4. Same number. So 2 multiply by 4 and 3 multiply by 4. Non-zero number. Okay. So here 2 multiply by 4 and 3 multiply by 4. So 2 multiplied by 4 and 3 multiplied by 4. So 2 4s are 8 and 3 4s are 12. Now concentrate both the side, 15 upon 12 and 8 upon 12. Here something is common. Yes, exactly. Denominator is common. Denominator is equal. See, both the side denominator is equal. That is 12. So we will compare the numerator, 15 or 8. Which number is greater, students? 15 is greater or 8 is greater? Yes, you are right. 15 is greater and 8 is smaller. So we will put here 15 is greater than 8. 15 is greater than 8. Here we will write one small statement. Denominator, therefore denominator are same. See here, both the side denominator 12 are same. That is why we are not comparing the denominator. Why? Because both are equal. Now we are comparing, okay, 15 and 8. Where 15 is greater and 8 is smaller, we can compare the numerator, and 15 is greater and 8 is smaller. So here 15 is greater than 8, that means 5 upon 4. See, 15 is on left hand side now, that means left hand side is greater than right hand side. So 5 upon 4 is on left hand side. 5 upon 4 is greater than 2 upon 3. Left hand side is greater than right hand side. So 5 upon 4 is greater than 2 upon 3. So in this way we finished our example number 1. Next we'll see example number 2. Example number 2. Compare the rational number minus 7 upon 9 and 4 upon 5. Minus 7 upon 9 and 4 upon 5. This minus 7 upon 9 is a negative rational integer, whereas 4 upon 5 is a positive rational integer. Students, आपको पता होना चाहिए कि नेगेटिव नंबर जो होते हैं वो हमेशा छोटे होते हैं. किसके कंपैरिजन में? पॉजिटिव नंबर के कंपैरिजन में. जब भी कोई भी नंबर, नेगेटिव नंबर, चाहे कितना भी वो बड़ा हो, उसका कंपैरिजन अगर पॉजिटिव नंबर से होता है तो वो स्मॉलर रहता है. समझ में आया? तो -7 जो है वो क्या है? स्मॉलर है. किसके कंपैरिजन में? 4 के कंपैरिजन में. सो हियर वी विल राइट अ स्टेटमेंट. वी विल स्टार्ट आवर सम्स विद अ स्टेटमेंट. Negative number is less than positive number. So here solution. First, a negative number is always less than a positive number. Is that clear? That means minus 7 upon 5 is less than 4 upon 5. Is that clear? Minus 7 upon 9 जो है, minus 7 upon 9 is less than 4 upon 5. Here minus 7 upon 9 is less than 4 upon 5. Now we will see the rules. Okay. So here let us verify that if A and B, let us verify that if A and B are positive number such that A is greater than B. If this is A, 7 upon 9 is A and 4 upon 5 is B and both are positive, तो उसमें क्या होगा सिचुएशन में? यहाँ पर हमको एक अज्यूम करना है. Let us verify. We are assuming here if A is less than B. Okay, when both the number are positive, तो A क्या है? Less है compared to B के. But if both are negative number, तो जो सबसे छोटा है वो नंबर एक्चुअल में बड़ा है. ठीक है, तो माइनस A का कंपैरिजन अगर माइनस B के साथ है और माइनस A यहाँ पर स्मॉल है, दैट मीन जो नंबर नेगेटिव में स्मॉल होते हैं एक्चुअल में कंपैरिजन में वही नंबर ग्रेटर होते हैं. इज दैट क्लियर? तो माइनस A is greater than minus B. Minus A is greater than minus B. So here let us take one example of this number. 2 is positive number and 3 is positive number. Both are positive. This 2 is A and 3 is B. So if A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 3, if I ask you which number is greater, so which number is greater? Exactly, you are right. 3 is greater. That means A is less than 3. A is less than B. Okay. So here A is less than B. That means 2 is less than 3. A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 3. 3 is greater and 2 is smaller. That means 2 is less than 3. Why? Because both numbers are positive. Okay. But what if -2 and -3? Yes, in that case जो नंबर स्मॉल है वो नंबर एक्चुअल में ग्रेटर है. कंपैरिजन करेंगे तो जो नंबर स्मॉल होगा वही ग्रेटर नंबर होगा. So here -2 is A and -3 is B. So -2 is greater than -3. Is that clear? कंपैरिजन में हमको ये देखना है अगर दोनों पॉजिटिव नंबर है, अगर दोनों पॉजिटिव नंबर है तो हमको ये देखना है कौन सा नंबर बड़ा है. ठीक है, कौन सा, विच नंबर इज ग्रेटर, दैट वी हैव टू चेक. बट अगर कंपैरिजन में दोनों ही नंबर नेगेटिव है तो हम ये देखेंगे जो नंबर छोटा है एक्चुअल में वो ही नंबर बड़ा है. तो -2 is greater than -3. Is that clear, students? Now let's proceed with our example. -7/9 and 4/5. We'll continue this. Now here 5/4 and 7/4. 7/4 and 5/4 is less than 7/4. 5/4 is less than 7/4. Now 5/4, 4/5 का जो रेसिप्रोकल है, ठीक है, वो क्या है? 5/4. 4/5 is given in our question now, so we will do here reciprocal. Okay, so 4/5 become 5/4. Okay, 5/4 and here -7. So we will do here two condition. We will apply here two condition. One is negative, one is positive, like this. So -5/4 is less than 7/4. Okay. Now -7 and 4. Both are numerator, na? So here 7 and here 4. So 7/4. But -5/4 is greater than -7/4. If the number is positive, if both the number is positive, then we will see which number is greater, actual number. But if both the number are negative, then we'll see which number is smaller. जो number smaller है वही number greater है. Okay, so here -5/4 is greater than -7/4. Is that clear? कंपैरिजन में जब नेगेटिव साइन दोनों के पास होती है, ठीक है, तो जो नंबर छोटा होता है एक्चुअल में वही नंबर बड़ा होता है, बिगर नंबर होता है. Is that clear? Now we'll proceed. So here we will write one statement. Verify the comparison using a number line. Now we will verify this comparison by using our number line. Now as you know that this 5/4 and 7/4, which side, positive or negative? Yes, you are right. Right hand side, positive rational integer. And -5/4 and -7/4, which side? Exactly, left hand side, negative rational integer. Now we will draw here number line. See here 0 and we will divide each number by 4. 4 equal part. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. Like our practice set 1.1. Okay. Now here 5/4 is less than 7/4. So we will show this 5/4 less than 7/4 on this number line. So here 5/4, 0 is here now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5/4, 6, 7. 7/4. So which number is greater here? Yes, which number is greater? Distance from 0 to 5 is greater or distance from 0 to 7 is greater? Yes, you are right. 7, distance from 7/4 is greater. That means 7/4 is greater than 5/4. Is that clear? Now same thing we will do on left hand side. Okay, so left hand side, that is backward side. Leave this 0. Divide each part by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 3. Okay. Now here we will show -5/4 and -7/4. So don't count this 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now here minus 5 upon 4. Okay. Now 6, 7 minus 7 upon 4. Now here आप लोग कंपैरिजन किसके साथ कर रहे हो? नेगेटिव नंबर में. तो नेगेटिव नंबर में जो नंबर छोटा है एक्चुअल में वही नंबर बड़ा है. तो यहाँ पर कंपैरिजन है माइनस 5 अपॉन 4 का माइनस 7 अपॉन 4 के साथ. तो यहाँ पर माइनस 5 अपॉन 4 जो है छोटा नंबर है, एक्चुअल में वो ही ग्रेटर नंबर है. Is that clear? So minus 5 upon 4 is greater than minus 7 upon 4. Is that clear? So lastly we will write our answer. Minus 5 upon 4 is greater than minus 7 upon 4. Is that clear? Now on right hand side, positive 5 upon 4 is less than positive 7 upon 4. Is that clear? In this way, we finished our example number 2. Example number 3. Compare the number minus 7 upon 3 and minus 5 upon 2. Students, previous example में हम ये देखे थे कि जो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड का नंबर है वो नेगेटिव साइन कैरी करता है, whereas राइट हैंड साइड का जो नंबर था वो पॉजिटिव साइन कैरी किया था. But now in this example, example number 3, both the number carry negative sign. See here, minus 7 upon 3, that means 7 upon 3 के पास negative sign है, whereas 5 upon 2 also carry minus sign. Okay, so both numbers are carry negative sign. 7 upon 3 on left hand side, 5 upon 2 on right hand side. Is that clear? Now we'll write here solution, and the first step we will take this minus 7 upon 3 and minus 5 upon 2. But simply we will remove this minus sign, and last after solving this sums we will put that sign again. Okay. So here we will write our solution. Let us compare 7 upon 3 and 5 upon 2. See student, I have removed this sign, minus sign. Okay. Why? We will see. 7 upon 3 and 5 upon 2. We are comparing these two numbers. Now here, 7 upon 3 and 5 upon 2. 7 will multiply by 2 and 3 will multiply by 2. Students, see, we want here equal denominator. And as you know that both the denominator are not equal. So we are making them equal. So 7 multiply by 2 and 3 multiply by 2. Like some number, like example number 1, we will do the same step. So 7 multiply by 2 and 3 multiply by 2. See here, 7 multiply by 2 and 3 multiply by 2. 7 will multiply by 2 and 3 will multiply by 2. जो नंबर को हम न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, the same number will multiply by denominator. Okay, so 7 multiply by 2 and 3 multiply by 2. So here 7 upon 3 is equal to 7 into 2 upon 3 into 2. So 7 2s are 14 and 3 2s are 6. So 14 upon 6. Is that clear? Now same thing but on the other side. अभी हमने देखे 7 upon 3 जो था वो 2 से मल्टीप्लाई हुआ था. ओके, नाउ वी विल सी 5 upon 2 जो है वो किससे मल्टीप्लाई होगा. यस, 5 upon 2 को हम कौन से नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करने वाले. यस, 5 upon 2 will multiply by which number students. Exactly, yes, you are right. 5 upon 2 will multiply by 3. Okay, so here 7 upon 3 and 5 upon 2 same thing, but we will do the reverse multiplication. So 5 multiply by 3 and 2 multiply by 3. Yes. So here 5 upon 2 is equal to 5 multiply by 3 upon 2 multiply by 3. So 5 3s are 15 and 2 3s are 6. So here 15 upon 6. See, now both the side denominator are equal. 14 upon 6 and 15 upon 6. Denominator are equal. 6 6 both the side denominator are equal. So here we will write one statement, curly bracket, by making denominator same. By making denominator same. Okay, now 14 is less than 15. See here 14 upon 6 and 15 upon 6. Denominator are equal but 14 is less than 15. So 14 is less than 15, that means minus 7 upon 3 is less than minus 5 upon 2. Okay. Now 14 is less than 3. But see here, both the number are positive. तो हम ये नहीं डिफाइन कर सकते कि minus 5 upon 2 ही greater है. ठीक है? क्यों? क्योंकि वो right hand side पे. No, we'll check. कैसे? We have to find the reason. See here, as the denominator are same, we can compare the numerator. So 15 is greater and 14 is smaller. So 14 is less than 15. So here 7 upon 3 is less than 5 upon 2. See here 7 upon 3 and 5 upon 2. यहाँ पर कोई नेगेटिव की साइन नहीं है. That means ये पॉजिटिव रैशनल इंटीजर है. 7 upon 3 and 5 upon 2. और इनके कंपैरिजन में मैंने आपको कहा था ना, पॉजिटिव नंबर में जो नंबर बड़ा है वो ही बड़ा है. ठीक है? लेकिन नेगेटिव में जो नंबर छोटा है वो बड़ा होता है एक्चुअल में. तो यहाँ पर क्या है, दोनों भी पॉजिटिव रैशनल इंटीजर है. तो 14 जो है वो छोटा है और 15 जो है वो बड़ा नंबर है. तो 15 जो है वो राइट हैंड साइड पे, दैट मीन्स 5 upon 2 राइट हैंड साइड पे एंड 7 upon 3 लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे. तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड यहाँ छोटी है और राइट हैंड साइड बड़ी है. दैट मीन्स 7 upon 3 लेस देन है 5 upon 2 के. इज दैट क्लियर? बट व्हाट इफ अगर ये नेगेटिव नंबर होता -14 और -15, तो क्या करते हैं? यस, तो -14 बड़ा होता क्या -15 बड़ा होता? यस माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, यू आर राइट. इन दैट केस -14 इज ग्रेटर देन -15. समझ में आया? तो -14 मैंने आपको बोला है ना, जो नंबर नेगेटिव में छोटा है एक्चुअल में वो ही बड़ा नंबर होता है. तो यहाँ पर इसका रिवर्स इफेक्ट ये आएगा कि -7 upon 3 is greater than -5 upon 2. Is that clear? अभी 15 जो है वो राइट हैंड साइड पे है. ठीक है? लेकिन कब, जब वो पॉजिटिव है तब वो बड़ा है. लेकिन अगर वो नेगेटिव में है तो क्या हो जाएगा, वो छोटा हो जाएगा. तो -7 upon 3 is greater than -5 upon 2. That means A is less than B अगर पॉजिटिव है तो. लेकिन अगर वही A और B दोनों भी नेगेटिव है तो क्या होगा, -A जो है वो ग्रेटर देन है किसके कंपैरिजन में, -B के कंपैरिजन में. इज दैट क्लियर? दैट मीन्स -A is greater than -B. In this way, we finish our example number 3. Let us move to example number 4. Example number 4, 3 upon 5 and 6 upon 10 are rational number. Compare them. Here, 3 upon 5 and 6 upon 10. See here, if I multiply this number, 3 by 5. 3 by 5 is multiplied by 2. 3 multiplied by 2 and 5 multiplied by 2. I will get this number 6 upon 10. See how. Here 3 upon 5, 3 by 5 multiplied by 2. 3 multiplied by 2 and 5 multiplied by 2. 3 2s are 6. 5 2s are 10. See here. That means 3 upon 5 is equal to 6 upon 10. They both are equal. Here, the relationship between 3 by 5 and 6 by 5 are equal. 3 upon 5 is equal to 6 upon 10. Very simple example. Yes, as compared to 3 example which have solved before. Here, 4th example is quite simple because the criteria is equal. 3 by 5 and 6 by 10. 3 multiplied by 2 and 5 multiplied by 2 give us 6 upon 10. So 3 by 5 is equal to 3 multiplied by 2 upon 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6 upon 10. So 3 upon 5 is equal to 6 upon 10. Here relationship is equal. So there is no greater than, no less than. Both are equal. Now we will see the rules of comparison of rational number. Rules for comparison of rational number. The following rules are useful to compare two rational number. If A upon B and C upon D are rational number. If A upon B and C upon D are rational number, where B and D both are positive. See here, such that B and D are positive. And these three rules we have to apply. We will see one by one. Okay. A upon B and C upon D, where B and D are positive. Okay. A upon B and C upon D are rational number. B and D are, yes, positive. Okay. Now we will see the three rules. First rule, if A multiplied by D, cross multiplication students, if A multiplied by D and B multiplied by C, this is the first example. A multiplied by D and B multiplied by C. Okay. So here, if A multiplied by D is less than B multiplied by C, that means A upon B is less than C upon D. Okay. A upon B is on which side? Left hand side. C upon D is on which side? Right hand side. That means right hand side is greater than left hand side. Rule 1. Okay. A upon B is less than C upon D. Now we will see rule number 2. If A multiplied by D, if A multiplied by D and B multiplied by C, again, if A multiplied by D and B multiplied by C, cross multiplication, where A upon B, see here, A upon B is equal to C upon D. Okay. Here A upon B is equal to C upon D, where B and D both are positive number. Okay. B and D both are positive number. Now rule number 3. If A multiplied by D and B multiplied by C, again third rule, cross multiplication, A multiplied by D and B multiplied by C. Here A upon B is greater than C upon D. Okay. A upon B is greater than C upon D. This is example number 1. This is example number 2. And this is example number 4. Is that clear, students? Is that clear? Now here right hand side is greater and left hand side is smaller. Okay. Now here both the sides are equal. Left hand side as well as right hand side both are equal. Like example number 4. And here A upon B is greater than A upon B is greater than C upon D. Okay. In this way, we have finished our example and rules for comparison of rational number. Now we will start practice set 1.2.